Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont, author of the Lean Media book, blog, and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today I'm going to be talking about using an Amazon marketing program called Vine Voices. And if this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to my channel. And also, disclaimer, you're responsible for following relevant terms and conditions, and your experience may be different than what I show you. And actually, to be honest with you, Vine Voices, this program has changed a lot since I first started learning about it. This is maybe 10 years ago, actually. So go to Amazon Seller Central. You'll need a pro level account to access this particular program. And actually, I'm not really sure if it's available to all sellers or even what the cost structure is. When I first got started with Vine, so go to advertising and select Vine, and you'll be brought to this particular page. When I first started using Vine, they charged a lot of money to use it. And basically what it's doing is it's letting certain types of reviewers on Amazon get a free item, and then they can review it and give it whatever rating or review that they want. And actually it will show up marked as this is a Vine Voices review. It's important for new products because new products, as you know, they don't have any reviews, and a lot of people won't even touch them because of that fact. So Vine Voices is a way to kind of prime the pump a little bit, and you can get some of your new products to get into the hands of reviewers, and they can give it a review if they want to. And you can see from some of my products here, I've gotten a couple reviews. I'm very happy with it. Some of the reviews were good, some of them were mediocre, but I'm just glad to get something on there so customers have something to go on. So basically, this is how you do it. Amazon will recommend the following products in Vine, but you can also search for a particular product if you know that it qualifies. And just keep in mind that there are restrictions on the types of products that you can put into Vine. If you click on this, it'll show you what they are. It has to be brand registered in the Amazon brand registry, has fewer than 30 reviews, have a buyable FBA offer in new condition, and not be an adult product, etc., etc. So there are all these restrictions. And actually, if you can't access Vine for it, it's probably running the product in question is probably running afoul of one of these particular issues. Okay, so these products are brand registered, so I'm going to use that. And actually, this is a new one that we have out. So I definitely want to get some reviews for it. It's a pretty exciting product for our customers, so I'm going to enroll it. So I'm just going to click enroll. It recommended it, and it brings me to this page. So enrollment fee is free. That's great. If it says something else, you maybe have to reconsider whether you want to do it, if it's going to be worth it. But for me, that's worth it. However, just note that the reviewers will be getting a free item in question, so you'll be losing a little money on that. I found that actually the more the merrier, it's better. So you can do a maximum of 30. I'm going to make available 25. I think I have maybe 30 or 40 that are in FBA right now, so I don't want to make it too many. So and then I'm going to click enroll. So you have to confirm, yes. And there it is. And that's actually a pretty easy thing to do. There are other ones that I might want to enter into the program as well, such as the Easy Genie Genealogy Kit for Kids. So I could click that and go through it and let it start to work its magic. Note that you have remaining enrollments, 3 out of 5. So you have to choose carefully here. This particular product, I probably do not want to enroll it because it's not a high-value product. It's not something that I'm really trying to sell a lot of because it's frankly the margins on it aren't that good. But for some of these other ones, including this one and this one, I might want to enroll those particular products. This is Ian Lamont signing off. If this video helped you, if you could take a moment to like it or follow my channel, I'd be grateful. You can also see more of my videos as well as blog posts. Go to leanmedia.org. Click on video or click on blog, and you can see my videos here. I also have a video explaining what the Lean Media Framework is. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.